Good morning, first grade. Today we are going to be taking a look at our 100 numbers chart for the first time. You will find your own 100 numbers chart on the back of that red folder. You will need your red folder for your lesson today. That's this one that you got when you came in with your parents for picking up your Chromebook and all of your information that you needed. So if you do not have this right next to you, go ahead and grab this folder so that you have it for our lesson today. I'm going to give you 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started, first grade. So today we are going to be looking at this 100 numbers chart. A 100 numbers chart is literally all the numbers from 0 to 100. Now you might say, Mrs. Friedrichs, I don't have a 0 on my chart if I was looking at it. And I would have to tell you, you're right. But when we count, we always want to start with 0 because 0 means there's nothing. You have to start with nothing and then get something. So when we count, we're going to start with 0. And today we're going to count from 0 to 20. And we're going to stop at 20 for today. But let's go ahead and give that a try. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now something really good for you to do all the time, first grade, would be to practice that counting at home with your mom, with your dad, with your baby sister. Teach her how to count. And then go ahead. You can also take your 100 numbers chart on the back of your folder, and you can practice that way too. Okay? So today, we are going to look at this 100 numbers chart, and we want to be able to figure out what these missing numbers are. They're hiding. We need to figure it out. So let's take a look. If I'm missing this number, what would I do to find out what it is? Well, I would look at the number that's before it and the number that's after it. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes after 4 when I'm counting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Let's go ahead and see if you're right. You're right. It's 5. Very good. Let's go ahead and find out our next missing number. Looks like 16, 17, something, 19. Well, what's in between 17 and 19 when you're counting? 15, 16, 17, 18. Let's see. You're right, it was 18. Let's check our next number. 30, what? 31, 32, 33, 34. And the last one, let's take a look at this last number today. We have something that looks like it must be in the 60s. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 60. I heard it, 67. You are correct, first grade. Now today, grab that folder, have it sitting out in front of you. What we want to do is we want to find some numbers. Are you ready? Okay, first grade. Now that we have our folder sitting in front of us, we are ready to find some numbers for ourselves. Here we go. I would like you, please, to find the number 18. Ooh, it happens to be a number we just had to find when it was missing. 18. So if I'm looking for 18, I'm going to be looking in my second row here, and I'm going to look over 1, 8. Is that where you found yours? 1, 8, 18. Let's look for a second one. Find the number 34. Find 34. Did you find it? 3, 4, 34. 3, 4, 34. What about the number 48? Let's find 48. 48. Did you find it? 48, 48. Let's do one more. 100. Find it. 100. Find 100. Oh, yes. I can find 100 because it's way at the bottom here. 100. Very good. We will be taking a look at this 100 numbers chart a lot more in the days to come. Keep this around, keep this safe, and ready to use again tomorrow for our practice, okay? Now, first grade, we have something else that we need to work on today, and that is our left and our right. So we need to take a look at our left and our right. If you have your folder from your 100 numbers chart, you could open it up, and that would be helpful for you for your left and your right. What it teaches you in here is that your left, if you hold your hand up, is going to give you the letter L. So hold up your left hand. Do you see the L? Just like left. And you don't have that on your other hand, do you? Left. There's your L. Left. First grade, it's time to get up and dance. Here we go. We are going to work on our right and our left. Here we go. Here we go. Right and left in front of you. Here we go. Left. Right and left in front of each other. Keep moving. Here we go. Right. Crisscross those feet. Crisscross those feet. Right in front and left. One last time. Here we go. Left. Go back. 1, 2. Okay. Let's go ahead and check that right and that left. Raise your right hand. Put it down. Raise your left hand. Put it down. Put your right foot out. Put it back. Put your left foot out and put it back. Put your left hand in the air. Put it down. Put your right hand in the air. Put it down. Can you blink just your right eye? Your left eye? Can you smile with just one part of your lips? Not me. How about you? Can you smile with just the left part of your lips? Ooh, we look a little silly doing that, don't we? Yeah. Well, we're going to take a look at right and left a lot more in the next couple of days, first grade. So don't worry. Keep practicing that at home. You do not have a math assignment tonight. So what I'd like you to do is I would like you to grab your math folder. And for your homework, I would like you to be practicing counting. Count with your folder, count without your folder. Ask someone in your family to have you find some numbers on your 100 numbers chart. Point to them, have them tell you, yep, it's right, no, it's not right. And I would say if you do 10 of those for today, that would be awesome. Other than that, get a good night's sleep tonight. We'll see you tomorrow, and we will work with lesson 2 tomorrow. Have a great day.